Let's learn the French verb avoir in the present tense. J'ai, which means I have, tu as, meaning you have in an informal context, il est, translating to he has, elle est, which means she has, nous avons, meaning we have, vous avez, which translates to you have in a formal context, ils ont, meaning they have for a masculine group, elles ont, translating to they have for a feminine group. Simple sentences using avoir in the present tense, j'ai un ami, which means I have a friend, tu as un stylo, meaning you have a pen, il a une sœur, which translates to he has a sister, elle a un chien, meaning she has a dog, nous avons un chat, which means we have a cat, vous avez une voiture, translating to you have a car, ils ont des enfants, meaning they have children, elles ont des livres, which translates to they have books. J'ai un examen aujourd'hui, tu as de la chance, il a peur du noir, elle a envie de voyager, nous avons des vacances en juillet, vous avez un rendez-vous demain, ils ont faim, elles ont soif, j'ai une nouvelle idée, tu as raison, il a un nouveau téléphone, nous avons un projet ensemble. These sentences help beginners practice both the literal uses of avoir for possession and expressions where avoir conveys a state or condition. Thanks for watching.